everybody, it's Bella here. I'm just coming to do a flip through of my latest journal, and this is the cover that I was working on in yesterday's video with the collaboration, and I've managed to put it on the front and I think it looks rather nice. So I'm afraid to lift it up because I know this is really close anyway, so I'm just not going to lift it up, okay? So I'm going to try and stay in frame. If I move it over to there, I can show you the side. In fact, I can open it out like that and you can see what I've been doing on the spine. I've added some lace. There was material under there, but I decided because I put the pink on there, the red poppies didn't go with it, so I covered it over with this trim that I made. So just make sure I'm in the middle. Yep. So here we are. We've got 3 buttons on there, and I've done some little stitching along here that I showed you, stitching around here, and that was it. This is Rachel's one of Rachel's papers on the back end, and here we go. So let's, oh, and I put corners on as well. Hope I'm in frame. So I've got a lace pocket here, pocket here with an envelope. I'm not going to try and get that back in on camera. Little pocket there, and there's some butterflies in there as well. So I put a couple of butterflies in here. So to the kit, some material here on calico, and I've embroidered those leaves, but I'm afraid to put them on upside down, but I don't know, I quite like it anyway, so I'm not going to worry about it. Did a little cluster on that, I machined across there, butterfly, and I've just done that, that's why it was sticking a little bit. So there's a little cluster there, that's out of Roxy Creations kit. Not sure which one, but I think that's the one where she was doing the old vintage journals. I made a long strip of these and I sewed bits of lace onto a long strip of material, and then I've cut it up and I've used them as little clusters for here. Stamp that. One of Rachel's papers from RachandBella Crafts. It's her latest botanical one. Botanical Dreams, I think, was the name that was chosen. So I put that on there. So I thought it complemented these. I think they're moths though, but in keeping, isn't it? Little cluster on there. Tab, I mean. I do like these little pockets. Cute. Out of the kit as well. That pocket is out of the kit. I'm not sure about the butterfly. I think it is. I think one of that is out of the kit, but that is a sticker. I don't know whether you can see. If I go like that, you can see it is a sticker. I managed to get the back off as well, and I put some cotton behind there for the antennas. And here. Little pocket there with some crocheted lace on. That was out of that box that Rachel showed us the other day. Can't remember the name of the company, but it's there in the videos. This is what I did on my computer with, you know, those A4 sheets that you can get now with, it's like calico, but I don't think it is calico. And you feed it into your computer, but it's already stuck onto the paper, so you don't have to worry about it sticking in your machine. I don't think I've got the sheet up here now. I think it's downstairs, but anyway, that's what I used, and I printed Rachel's DigiKit onto that. There's some crocheted lace there and calico. That's a sticker. That's another one of my gardening books. Aren't these lovely? That's out of an old book that I've got. That's out of Roxy Creations. I've got a box of these here that I've cut up ready to make my my journal that she's been showing us how to make. And I put a little bit of lace on here on Rachel's paper. Stamp that. That's another piece of the trim I made. Trying to remember what these are called, but I can't remember what they're called. But anyway, it doesn't matter. These are out of the kit as well. Try and go as fast as I can because there are 3 signatures in this. So this is one I've made before and I thought it went so well in this botanical. I think I'm going to call her Botanical Dreams because I like the name. So that would be good, wouldn't it? Botanical Dreams, this journal is going to be called. That's lovely. This is the second signature. This is what I made on my collaboration video. One of them. Oh, I've just finished this now, so I hope nothing's going to stick. I put a bit of lace at the bottom of that. This is a flip up. And there's something in there which I'm not going to get out. And then you can use that as a flip. And then you've got that lovely bird on the other side. These are from Rachel's kit as well, out of the Botanical Dreams kit. That's one little ditty that I just drew and painted. Nothing special. This is out of a little book that I've got. I can show you the book, I think. Oh, I did have it somewhere. No, it's gone. It's disappeared. Sorry. It's a herb little book I had, which I thought was quite nice for a botanical. There's another trim. I'm trying to pick up the pink there, look. That one there, and I put a sticker on there. I don't know whether you can see a butterfly, and there's one of Rachel's little tags at the back there, look, which matches that paper there. Thought that looked nice on there. I'm trying not to put too much in because it's going to be very bulky, so if anyone would like to buy this, they can put their own little ribbons in, I thought, and do a little bit of dressing up themselves. So I've left space for you to carry on decorating it. I love this. It does look as if it's actually a pressed flower, but it is actually a sticker. I don't know whether you can see it shining, but it is a sticker. Let me just check I'm in view. There we go. I'll put that on the bottom. That's another one of those printed on material. And I've stitched around there because you can see the stitching on the back. And I put this sticker in the middle of the stitching. And I thought that looked rather nice. So, and then I put this. These are all off the edges of material, by the way. These. So I thought I might as well use them. That's out of the kit. I put that. This was a blank one that I asked Rachel for. And I put this bee on here. With my bee stamp. That's material as well that I had left over. That's an old picture, that one. Beautiful, aren't they? And that's out of this book here, because I've got a bird one and I've got, that's the bird one, and this is the wildflower one, if you're interested. British Wildflowers, the Observer's Book of British Wildflowers. They're lovely, aren't they? And this one's a birdie one. Okay. Cute little box. Now this is a little If I can get they're so tiny, these. I've got a job to, look how tiny that is. And I made a little booklet thingy, pockets, and these are envelopes, these. That's just a little tag. Okay, that flips over there like so. This is vellum. Actually, that's out of the Tim Holtz vellum pack, you know, the paper packs, but it is actually already on there. A little bit of lace on there. That's been sewn around and I stamped on there. I did enjoy making these, they were quite fun. Just drew a little thingy on there. It's a tag I made. That was with the collage paper that Rachel did. She knows I like the collage papers. Now this one is one I showed you in the collaboration, where it actually embroidered the flower, and Rachel's botanical flower is on underneath this that I printed onto the material. This is different material because I did manage to get it on with my Epson, I think, with just some odd material that I had, and just by chance it did come out. So, but the second time I tried it didn't work, so there we are. But I did actually stitch that, and I've stitched that and some cross stitch. That's another bit of the trim that I made. This is a bag. I haven't put anything in there because she was getting rather bulky, so I thought I would leave that. It's a watering can out of the kit. It's another little tag. I like those, they're quite cute. That's a pretty one. I love that one. I made that one a while ago. It's not recent, but I did like it. I put stickers on there, but you've got a job to see it. You can't, I can see it okay, but you probably can't see it. That's one of Rachel's papers. And if you didn't want Easter written on there, you can soon cover that up with another word, couldn't you? That's another piece of material, and I put a bit of lace on there. That was printed on material as well, actually. I did quite a bit of printing that day. That's out of the kit, and I fussy cut that from one of the pages. I thought that looked rather cute. I love that bird. Okay. I haven't told you about the spine, have I? What I've done with the spine, I'll tell you in a minute. We'll go through this and then I'll tell you how I put the spine in. I've actually got the window open today because the weather has been absolutely stunning the last few days, and I can hear the birds. I don't know whether you can, but I can. It's lovely, been absolutely lovely. We went off today, so we had a nice time in Hereford. That's another one of those out of Rachel's kit. A little word on there. Okay, nearly there. Just some bits and bobs in that one. And I fussy cut her because I thought she was really lovely. And there we are. I think we're at the end. So that was a big tag I made. And that's gone in a vellum pocket there. And I've stamped that, and I've done a little bit of colouring in on there. And I've just put these lovely... oh, don't tell me that's stuck down. Oh, well, I'll deal with that after. And put Rachel's little tickets in. And this is one that I think I was watching Roxy Creations again, and she was making these. And there is actually, you can put something in there as well, if it was a bit narrow. And put together with these little tickets. Another one of those. So I thought that would be nice in the back there. And lace pockets front and back here. And that's off material again. And this is Tim Holtz, by the way. Okay, and I've used calico inside there. And I put a cardstock on the inside there. And spine is, I don't know whether you can see, I've done them with elastic. So they're in very neatly. And there's no elastic on the outside, you can't see it. So that's all hidden. So there we go, there she is. And I think she lies beautifully, look. So that goes in there. No, the other way. There we are, all back in. And she just opens and closes beautifully. And when she's shut, she's not, you know, there's no gator mouth or anything like that. She just closes very nicely. So there's 3 signatures with elastic binding. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you're all having a nice day and look after yourselves. God bless.